Welcome to Testing Your Code in Python by LearnLogic. Whether building a personal project or working on a team, testing is the secret sauce for ensuring your code runs smoothly. Let's jump in. Why is testing so important? First, it helps you catch bugs early, before they cause headaches. It ensures your program works across different scenarios, making debugging and updating your code much simpler. Think of testing as your insurance policy for good code. So, what does testing involve? It starts with writing test cases, examples of inputs and outputs your code should handle correctly. Then, you expand to edge cases, like weird or extreme inputs, and use tools to automate testing. This way, you can check your work quickly and thoroughly. Let's look at an example. Here's a simple function that adds two numbers. To test it, we start with typical inputs, like 2 and 3, and check the result, 5. Then, we add edge cases, like a negative number, and boundary cases, like adding 2 zeros. This ensures the function behaves correctly across different scenarios. Here's what to remember. Testing builds confidence in your code and makes it more reliable. Start with typical cases, expand to edge and boundary cases, and don't forget to automate your tests for consistency and speed. That's it for our introduction. The next lesson will dive deeper into test cases, exploring property-based testing and advanced strategies to refine your approach. See you there.